guys, I'm Monalisha and welcome back to my channel. Happy Valentine's week or happy Valentine's Day. I'm honestly not sure when this video will go live. I'm shooting this on the 9th. However, I have shot the outfits prior to 2 days from now, so hopefully I will be editing all the footage before 14th. So yeah, this will be a last minute outfit ideas video for Valentine's. I know we are in this Rona time. I'm not sure that a lot of you will go out, so I am not, because I honestly do not have a Valentine. Yeah, that's pretty sad. But anyways, maybe like this video can be like a manifestation sort of videos for next year or whatever this is. I'm just being a little cute here, okay? So don't judge me for that. Anyway, yeah, so this video is going to be my outfit inspiration for all you beautiful babies out there who will be celebrating the Valentine's Day with their Valentines. If you are home, or if you're going out, or if you're living with your partner, or if you're married, I'm hoping that this video will help you out in some form and you could probably take out a little bit from this video, because I have included a lot of blacks, a lot of pinks, some pastel tones of pinks and blues, and obviously reds, like a subtle red. As you can see, this sweater, that is what I'm wearing because it's Valentine's week. All the outfits that you will see, I'm not sure that they are still available because nothing in this video is new, I think, except for like few of the jewelries. Yeah, this one is new. I will share everything, whatever I could find, or maybe like similar pieces. So if you want to get your hands on the similar pieces, you can, and all the links for similar items, whatever I will find, will be there in the description box below for you guys. So let's get into the video. Okay, so the first outfit that I am so excited for you guys to see is this one. This outfit would be so good for all the smaller chested women. I just love wearing bralettes, and now that the summer is almost near, so I have included this bralette top, which is in black color. High-waisted paper bag pants. These are from Zara. I bought it around, I think 2 years ago. I don't know if they still have it, but definitely I'll find a link for you guys, and I'll put that link in the description box below for you. Because the bralette has a v-neck, I have gone for this beautiful lariat. Whenever you do not have something and you have a basic outfit, always try to incorporate jewelry that will go well with your outfit. And then I am just grabbing a claw clip to just make my hair out of my face. Now I'm adding this same jumper that I'm wearing for this intro video to layer it over the outfit. As you can see, for the final touches, as you can see, I am just grabbing my black combat boots. These are my favorite. I got these last year from Sarojini Nagar, guys. Can you believe it? Yes. And I think it was about for 2000 or 1500. It was on a really fair deal, and I love it. And yeah, that's how the first outfit looks like. It has a right balance of feminine and masculine with the high-waisted pants and the boot. It is a little bit towards the masculine side, but the v-neck of the bralette balances the whole outfit together, and I just love this one. Now let's move on to my second outfit. Now I have opted for these beautiful, cute looking sweatshirt. It has Pepsi written all over. Now the sweatshirt is in white and it has this Pepsi font that is in red and blue, so I think that's why I chose it, because I wanted to include reds somewhere in my outfits for this video. And then I'm just pairing this sweatshirt with my red pants. Now again, the pant is from Zara and the sweatshirt is from H&M, and I'm again using a claw clip to, you know, tie my hair and finishing the look with some gold accent jewelry. This one is new, and honestly you can find these everywhere. And just because and yeah, that's how the base of the outfit looks like. I'm pairing this look with these beautiful glittery shoes that I have, and here I have opted for a pink clip. And yeah, that's how the outfit looks like. So this is one of my favorite outfits because of the shoes. As you can see, the shoes instantly made the outfit looks so like feminine and cute at the same moment. It just puts the outfit together. You know, the sweatshirt is very casual, but the shoes just balance the outfit. Yeah, so that's my second outfit for you guys. Let me know what you guys think about this one. This one is also like my favorite. A very sexy outfit in this video is this one, and I have paired a black pant which has these yellow and white panels. Now I'm pairing this satin silk shirt. It actually looks like a pajama shirt, but it is not. And then I'm just accessorizing the outfit with these beautiful yellow earrings. My watch, this has this brown tone strap. It's a classic watch. For the final touches, just stacking two of my favorite jewelry pieces to cover my neck a little bit, wearing my silver mules with this outfit. I think something like this you can honestly wear at your date night. Very sultry home vibe to it, which again does not look like a lot, yet it looks very put together and polished. So I wanted to keep a cute dress look. I don't usually wear dresses in winters, but I wanted to do like a cozy cute little dress. I have opted for this beautiful floral dress, opted for the same bralette and wore the dress over it. Now the only thing I added to this dress is a cozy pair of cardigan. Oh my god, this cardigan is so pretty. This cardigan is something that I got from Sarojini Nagar. I have gone for a red lip with this outfit as well. However, it was not necessary, but I wanted to add this necklace just to make it a little dressy. Now all I will wear with the outfit are these blue falcon sneakers. It is such a cute outfit. You can just totally rock this outfit anywhere, or you're just chilling at home, or if you're just having a nice lunch at your home, this will be. Now this is not really a dress, this is a play suit. Yeah, but it looks like a dress, which I love, because I don't know, for some reason I do not end up wearing a lot of play suits because it actually gets stuck at my butt. So that's why. And yeah, that's how the final look looks like. Honestly, such a cute outfit. Let me know what you guys think about this outfit. I would love to know your thoughts. And let's move on to the last outfit in this video. So I am wearing my red pullover on a lacy bodysuit now. So I am opting for these plaid pants. Now these are warm pants, and then I'm just adding a black belt to cinch my waist and make it polished, adding this beautiful diamante headband. I am obsessed with this headband. It's been a while that I have used this headband, or I have styled this headband, but this is one of my favorite accessories that I own in my accessory closet. That's why I had to go a little extra for the last outfit. I think this one is my favorite outfit too. I don't know, I have probably said this so many times that this one is my favorite outfit, this one is my favorite outfit, because I love each outfit equally. Just to keep the tone similar, I am going with AD earring. This is something that I have shared already in one of my haul videos. I have donned these beautiful black heels, which again has these diamantes on the front part, and just added a black bag to complete my look. So that is the final look, you guys. That's the final look, and I know that this one is a bit extra because of the accessories. You can tone it down if you do not want to go with the similar accessories. You can just probably wear like a strappy black sandal and just keep the earrings. Do not go with the headband if you don't like it, but I honestly love a little bit of extraness every now and then. So yeah, that's how the last outfit looks like. So that is it for this Valentine's outfit inspirations video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video and you got some tips and tricks to, you know, accessorize your outfits, or maybe like using red color in your wardrobe. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification, because whenever I post a new video, you will get notified. And I hope that you enjoy it too. And I'll see you next time. Bye.